I'm Dr. Xavier Borràs. I'm one of the implant dentists here in 3Dental Dublin. And now I'm going to go through some questions that people ask me about bruxism. So yes, bruxism could be like a severe problem. It can cause like damage in your teeth, jaw disorders, and it can lead with chronic pain. If it's left untreated, it will become more serious. So the effects in long term, it could be like teeth fractures, teeth erosions, it could be like TMJ dysfunctions, or it could end with like a chronic pain. The results can be in about a week, but it fully works in 2 weeks. And after that, it's gonna last like about 3 months. So bruxism can be caused by a lot of things, like it could be just stress, anxiety, some medications like social habits. There are some like neurological disease like Parkinson. There is a lot of things that it could cause this problem. You won't be able to stop bruxism at night, basically because you're sleeping, so you're not conscious of that pressure in your teeth. So the only way you prevent any possible damage is by using some kind of night guards. If you're worried that you could be suffering bruxism, you can book a free consultation in our website, 3dental.ie.